Aixun BS06 Bluetooth remote control handle ring has been released. It is applicable to H-series Aixun Smart Hot Air Gun. Automatic Bluetooth connection. 2-color LED display. Remote setting of hot air gun. Installation guide. Open the package of Bluetooth handle ring. There is a Bluetooth handle ring inside. A standard 2023 button cell. A certificate. 2 small screws. Twist off the round lid of the device. Install the battery. Put the side with plus sign outwards. Tighten the round lid. Lasting up to 12 months under low power consumption mode. Attach the device to the handle of hot air gun. Buckle the device on the end of the handle. Put the side with plus sign upwards. Otherwise, it can't be installed. Tighten the 2 small screws. Installation is finished. Note: the screw must be screwed from the end with the battery. If the screw is screwed from the front, it cannot be properly tightened. Operation guide. Here we pair it with H314 Smart Hot Air Gun. Turn on the switch of hot air gun. Unlock with fingerprint. Long press any button to turn on Bluetooth handle ring. It can be seen that a pop-up window appears in the main interface of hot air gun. Choose agree. The handle ring can be connected. Note: currently Bluetooth handle ring only can be connected to H-series Aixun hot air gun. Besides, one Bluetooth handle ring only can be connected to one smart hot air gun in the process of using DOT. All the nearby Aixun smart hot air gun can choose to agree or reject when Bluetooth handle ring is turned on. Press button plus or button to switch between M1 M3 shortcut channels by turns under normal condition. Single press button M to choose temperature setting or wind speed setting. Single press button M to choose temperature setting. Press button plus to increase temperature. Press button to decrease temperature. Single press button M again to choose wind speed setting. Press button plus to increase wind speed. Press button to decrease wind speed. Long press button M to start cold air mode. Long press button M again to turn off cold air mode. There is red light blinking on Bluetooth handle ring after smart hot air gun is turned off. It enters into low power consumption mode in 1 minute. Above is the full operation guidance of BS06 Bluetooth remote control handle ring. To learn more about Aixun products and software updates, please follow Aixun YouTube channel, Aixun Tech, or official website, www.aixuntech.com.